The Stupidstitious Cat is a 1946 Famous Studios Noveltoon directed by Seymour Kneitel, introducing the character Buzzy the Crow. The cartoon centers on a conflict between a hungry but incredibly superstitious cat and the clever crow, Buzzy. The cat, whose name isn't always specified in synopses but whose defining characteristic is his intense adherence to bad luck omens, is determined to catch Buzzy for his breakfast. However, every attempt the cat makes to capture the crow is thwarted, not by Buzzy's strength, but by the cat's own paralyzing fear of common superstitions. Buzzy, observing his feline foe's irrational behavior, quickly cottons on to the cat's weakness. The crow then begins to deliberately employ classic bad luck symbols, such as walking a ladder across the cat's path, planting broken mirrors, or painting himself black to mimic a bad luck cat to keep his superstitious adversary at bay. The cartoon is a classic example of the predator-prey dynamic found in Golden Age animation, where the smaller, wittier character, Buzzy, consistently outsmarts the larger, stronger, but flawed antagonist, the cat, using psychological warfare based on his silly beliefs. If you enjoyed this trip back to the Golden Age of animation, don't let your luck run out. Hit the like button and subscribe for more vintage cartoon history and fun facts from the vault.
Getting out of the wrong side of the bed. For that, you can almost drop dead. Break a wishbone, and if you get the big end, your wish will come true, and your troubles will end. Gosh, I wish I had a bird for breakfast. Aha, I get my wish. If you whistle before breakfast, you'll cry before dinner.
Listen to the mockingbird, listen to the mockingbird, still singing where the weeping willows wave. I'm dreaming now of Hallie, sweet Hallie, sweet Hallie. She's sleeping in the alley, and the mockingbird is singing where she lies. Listen to the mockingbird. How'd I get in here? Man, you gotta straighten up and fly right. Looks like I've been invited for dinner.
See a pin, pick it up, and all the day you'll have good luck.
Ain't he superstitious? That's all I wants to know. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Boss, I hate to interrupt you when you's eating, but you done spilled the salt.
Yikes! If you spill salt, throw it over your shoulder or you won't live to be much older. Come out. Come out wherever you are.
Here I is, boss.
A ladder. Hey, if you go under a ladder, your days will grow sadder and sadder.
Thanks for the information, boss.
Oh, that's all right, pal. Put it here.
Why not? In the house with an open umbrella will make you a most unfortunate fella. Hey, boss, bread and butter.
Yipe! 3 on a match.
And you wind up in the booby hatch. You'll be sorry. Peekaboo.
Oh, this is hard luck.
That's right, boss. 7 years hard luck.
Did you say 7 years hard luck?
That's what the man said. That's what he said. He said that.
Yipe! A black cat! A black cat! A black cat!
Afraid of a black cat. My. Is he super duperstitious? Friday the 13th, knockwood. Salt. Rabbit's foot. Horseshoe. Knockwood.